What you got in the box? What do you think's in there? What is it? What is that? What is that?
A bell.
Can you take it out?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Open it.
There's more stuff in there, I think.
This I will rock.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Keep digging.
Maybe. Open it.
All right, well, take the other ones out first.
Okay.
If there's another one.
Maybe. Yeah.
There might only be 2 in this box.
There's a Roomba.
The other 2 might be coming
This one.
separately. Okay, take that out. Be gentle.
I can't.
You can't get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Whoa! Okay, so the other 2 must be coming by themselves, separately. Nope, the other 2 are coming separately.
I want to open 2 of them.
All right.
Let me open it.
All right, be gentle.
I don't know how.
You can rip the plastic open.
I can't know how.
You can rip the plastic open.
You can do it. Can't do it. I can't do it.
You can't do it?
No, with it. Spinning.
Come on. You're happy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I made a hole, so you finish ripping it open.
I can't
Make
do
the
it.
hole bigger so you can get the Roomba out.
I can't.
Like you're ripping a present. Here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can't open it. No, I can't open it. What?
Whoa. Oh my goodness. What is that?
Yay!
What kind is that?
What's it turned on?
What kind? It's not going to turn on, bud. It's not charged. What kind is that?
Push it.
Is that an iRobot?
No, it's not.
What kind is it?
2 spinners.
Do you know what kind it is?
Yeah, what is it? Has a bin?
Can you read the front?
That has a bin.
Do you know what this says right here?
That's a computer.
Do you know what that says?
What is it?
Look again. What does this say?
What is
It starts with a B. B.
Pencil.
Yes.
Open the iRobot. iRobot works.
Probably not. We probably have to charge it.
I want to try.
Oh, wait a minute. There's a charger in here.
I want to try.
Well, you can always try it.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Then I have a handle.
You know what? I don't know.
Hey, open it. What's that? What's that?
All right.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Please.
Oh, the charger's in that bag.
Can you open it? Can you open it?
Yeah. Oh, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit.
Does it work?
No. Oh.
What has a handle?
That's interesting. It only comes with a plug, but okay.
Has a bin?
All right, we'll get these babies charged up, okay? Can you say bye?
Bye.